Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Vimeo video on Chrome. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser and search Web Store. Click on the first link, Chrome Web Store. Google Chrome Web Store will open. In the search bar, type video downloader. Different video downloaders will be shown. Click on Video Downloader Professional. Its detail page will open. Now click on Add to Chrome option from the right side. A dialog box will appear. Then you have to click on Add Extension option. The video downloader will be installed within your Chrome browser. Now open a new tab on your Google Chrome and search Vimeo. Then click on Watch Free Videos. The watch page of Vimeo will open. Scroll down and select the video you want to download, or click on the search bar to search the video according to your requirement. Click on the video. You will see extension icon on the top right side, so click on it. Then you will see Video Downloader Professional which you just downloaded. Click on it. Now you can see options for downloading the video with different qualities. Click on the download in the green box, then click on OK. A window will open. Click on Save from the bottom. The video has been successfully downloaded. And this is how you can download Vimeo video on Chrome.